Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me start by lighting the candle. In this video, I'm going to be doing my skincare. Let me start by wearing my magic headband. I'm going in my extract to cleanse my face in a circular motion. Now I'm going with my oatmeal facial mask. I was struggling on how to put it on, but I eventually got it. So I allowed that sit on my face. I plastered it literally. I plastered it on my face and allow it to sit on my face. The oatmeal facial mask is it has this cooling effect. Very nice. Yeah. So now I removed the layer so the main sheet can sit on my face like so. I kept it on for 15 minutes. So I'm going in with my Queen Ellen facial mask. Trust me, this facial mask is a game changer. It takes your skin from dull looking to radiant looking. So I applied it in circular motion and I'm going to be leaving it for also 15 minutes. Next, I'm going in with my Neutrogena blackhead eliminating cleanser. I'm going to be putting 4 dots on my face and I'm going to be doing it in rubbing it in circular motion. I also make sure my T-zones are not excluded, my nose area, the top of my forehead and all of that, and even the neck. Now I'm going in with my aloe vera gel. You know, this is my holy grail. I don't do anything without my aloe vera gel. I shave with my aloe vera gel. I do a lot of things with my aloe vera gel. So I'm just going on in circular motion. Everything inside my mind daily, trust me, you can't fool me. Next, I'm going in with my Beauty Formulas Brightening Vitamin C Serum for a light hydrating serum to support a soft, smooth complexion. Also in circular motion. Then I'm going in with my Tidinol facial cream. I use this for breakouts or eczema. It's really good. It softens the skin and gives your skin that radiant look. Please make sure your neck zone are not excluded. That's the first part to each. So let's take note of our neck zone. And lastly, I'm going with my BB Clear facial cream. Do you know this is my facial cream that it's an holy grail for me? I made a video on BB Clear lotion. You should check that. So you can imagine how the facial cream would be. It keeps my skin so smooth, so soft and radiant. I'm only human, so big nobody but I'm say I carry woman. Say na man made up for carry, for calling woman. So I need when I talk say. Whoa, I can't believe my face after doing all this. So smooth, so soft, so supple, and so radiant. Oh my god, I'm feeling my skin. Thank you. Bye.